In this video, I am going to make silver nitrate. For this experiment, I use 5 grams of pure silver metal and 5.6 milliliters of concentrated nitric acid. Wear safety equipment when handling acids. First, 5 grams of silver metal is added to 50 milliliters of beaker. Then nitric acid is added to a beaker. To start the reaction, little amount of heat was supplied by a spirit lamp. In this case, silver reacts with nitric acid and form silver nitrate and nitrogen dioxide gas. During the reaction, silver nitrate is started to precipitate and reaction has gone slowly. So I decided to heat the beaker again. After all silver reacted, I evaporated extra water. Now the silver nitrate is transferred to another container and let it dry in a warm and dark place. After a few days, silver nitrate looks like this, but it is not completely dry. But within 5 or 6 days, it will. By the way, this is the final result, silver nitrate.